Hello everyone, my name is Ben, I'm from Topaz Midlands. Today we're showing you something very special. Now, we've seen many cars over the years at Topaz. We've seen Paganis, Bugattis, and many G-Wagons. We've seen 6x6s, 4x4 squares, Man Series, but we've never seen one of these. This is a miniature G-Wagon based off a Suzuki Jimny, and it is in with us right now for a satin PPF conversion. Let's take a look.
From Topaz Midlands to Topaz London, from Baby G to G63. We showed you the Baby G, the Suzuki Jimny, and it's only right to show you the car that inspired it, and that's behind me, and it's the legendary G63. One big difference, other than the size, between the Jimny and the G63 is the fact that the G63 behind me came with a special Magno paintwork from factory, which is matte. We've now preserved and protected it with our stealth PPF, i.e. satin PPF. The Jimny you saw was actually gloss, but it went through our satin conversion. We can make a gloss car as stealthy as that with our satin PPF. With matte paintwork from factory, it's so important to protect it from day one. When you're really giving it some serious driving on the Autobahn, you really want to have paint protection from on the car. If you were to chip or scratch or damage your matte paintwork, you really are in for some trouble. You're going to end up having to paint edge to edge and not be able to do a small localized repair. You can't just simply machine polish it or touch it up. If you do have a gloss car and you want the same look, we can do that for you, and it will be with our satin PPF conversion, which will be gloss to satin. Both these cars look fantastic, full of attitude and very stealthy. It's good to show you the Baby G and the Big G.
So, as you can see, the Jimny is really starting to take shape. As we put more PPF on it, the kit is really starting to work well, and it's really starting to look like a proper mini G-Wagon. So before we move on, I just wanted to take the opportunity to show you this quick before and after. So as you can see, the rest of the car is now fully satin converted apart from this door. It really shows the difference the satin film makes, and once the car is complete, it will look amazing. Now it's time to get to the main event. The Baby G, fully complete in Topaz satin PPF with gloss carbon PPF mirrors, and it looks incredible. Now we can't wait to see the reaction of the lucky new owner. It's actually for his 17th birthday. It's the best present I can imagine. And I mean, just look at it. What a thing. The car started life as a standard Suzuki Jimny. However, it has been upgraded with the DAMD body kit, which is affectionately called the Baby G. Now it comes with a new front bumper, new side skirts, new arches. Honestly, it has the full suite. Now, as you can imagine on bespoke cars like this, it's incredibly difficult to PPF. Each body panel is custom built, and therefore we need to custom build the PPF. We pattern every single different piece, make sure each piece fits perfectly. Although this isn't a real G-Wagon, it is a Suzuki Jimny, I still think it is really cool, and I can't imagine a better 17th birthday present, as that is what this car is for. We hope you've enjoyed the transformation. It has been incredible to take it from gloss to satin. See you next time.